20 years old, came to us at 18. You're going to run a crew then, hey?
Yes, sir.
It's good stuff.
My name's Fisher Smith. Came from zero construction background. Started working here from an ice cream shop. So I went from minimum wage to about $14 an hour. Been here for just over 2 years, and I've gone from zero construction background, about to run my own crew here in a few months.
What type of wage are you hoping for here soon?
So started off at 14, hoping to be around 23 here in the next few months once I start running my own crew.
Get a truck with that?
Yes, sir.
How's the environment?
Always a fun, easy environment to work in.
How many Saturdays do you guys work?
0.
And Fridays every once in a while off too, eh?
Yes, sir.
And how old are you?
20 years old.
20 years old, came to us at 18. You're going to run a crew then, hey?
Yes, sir.
It's good stuff.
Personally, I enjoy the opportunity to be able to learn something new every day. It's good work.
You know, a lot of it has to do with the people that we work with. We're friends inside and out.
I have to say the camaraderie that it builds and the brotherhood amongst each other. It's fun to get stuff done with the guys. You know you're doing the right thing by people. It's a good place to work. The employer, very awesome.